The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and finish stuffing my Christmas Savings Challenge Box. And we need to hurry up because Christmas is right around the corner and I need to finish shopping. So I was gonna leave the money in the card and just do the whole shopping there, but I was like, no, wait, I wanna stuff these envelopes to show you guys what they look like and that I freaking did it. So I went ahead and told my husband to go to the bank and withdraw the money. So funny story, the tellers were gone by the time he got out of work, so he asked me if I wanted the money from the ATM. So I was like, okay, go ahead. Just check to see if you are able to choose your own denominations. And you can. But the only problem is that this, I don't know, for some reason, Citibank lately, or maybe it's always been like that, I don't know. But they only let you like choose 20s and like 50s or 20s and 100s. And that was our case today. My husband was only able to, he had the option to choose either 20s, all 20s, or 100s. So I was like, you know what? Just get all 20s. I'll figure it out because my envelopes do have different amounts. And I was like, just do it. Just bring it, whatever. So guys, so this is so funny. He took out the money and this is where he put the money. Let me show you. In an Altoids peppermint box. Oh my god. I told him, I said, boy, you need a bank envelope. I can't believe this. Look at this. Like, you see how ugly is all bent? But whatever, it's going in the envelopes. So I was like, just bring it. I'm gonna stuff it and unstuff it because this money has to go back to the bank tomorrow morning. And that's because I need to do some shopping on Amazon and wherever I need to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and, like, you know, make this look nice, fill it, whatever, just like look cute. Okay, let's do this. 20s and then the 5s down here. All right, so let me move this box, guys. So I'm currently eating, so I'm gonna be pausing for like a few seconds so I can take a bite of my food. Let me show you guys what I'm eating. Voila, just plain lo mein with broccoli and broccoli sauce, and that's what I'm eating for dinner at this time because I've been so busy working that I haven't been able to cook. And yeah, so this is what we're eating. Give me 1 second. And I'm drinking some Pepsi. I don't drink soda, but I was like, I need to drink something like to keep me up for this video because I'm tired. Hold on. All right, I used a fork, so don't worry, I'm not touching money and eating. All right, so let's open this box. We're wasting a lot of time. All right, so like I mentioned, I was doing 25 envelopes. In here, we currently have only 21 envelopes, and that's because I went to Costco. When was this? Saturday? I think it was Saturday. Yeah, so I went to Costco Saturday, and I did buy 4 things. So the first thing I bought was this. This is for my stepson, and this was $100, guys. $100! $100 from Costco. This is what he wanted, so we got him this. And then I got my mom some rain boots from Costco, and this was, I think, like $40, so that's already $140, right? And then, guys, look how cute this is. Hopefully I don't drop the camera. This is a sleeping bag. So I got my kids one each, and this was $30 from Costco. So in total I spent $200. So I took out the money already from here and I said, boom, that's it. We're putting that towards that, and that's that. So now we're gonna stuff this, and this should be a total of $800. My goal was $1,000, so since I already spent $200, now we got $800. So let's get started. So $40. So I'm gonna pump up the Christmas music as I go, so you guys don't get bored of me stuffing these. So enjoy the music. $20. $25. $60. Ew, why is my sweater dirty there? Oh my god, that's embarrassing. $40. So are you guys almost done with your Christmas shopping? Let me know down below. I'm getting my husband a helmet for his motorcycle. And then what else I'm getting? I think I'm gonna, I don't know. I need to go. I told my husband on Friday, while the kids are in school, we're gonna go and shop around. I'll probably go back to Costco and see what else I can get for my kids. They had a lot of toys and stuff like that. Things that my kids will actually enjoy playing with and not just set to the side. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to Costco and then I'm gonna go to Target and finish shopping. So my husband asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and of course I want my Cricut machine. Cricut. I say Cricut. Cricut machine. Cricut machine. So I want a Cricut machine so I can make envelopes and, like, you know, the vinyl stickers and stuff for my envelopes. Bring something new to my shop. Yeah, that's all I really like want. I also wanted floating shelves, and my brother got me floating shelves, so I'm really happy about that. I haven't been able to set it up because I still need some what is it called? I need some nails or whatever, a piece of a drill, I forgot, in order for me to install it, or for my husband to install it. So yeah. Guys, so Friday, which is in 2 days, I will be doing a budget with me, and I'm also going to wait, how much did I stuff? Okay. And then I'm also going to be talking about the giveaway that I am doing, and it's actually a collaboration with Linda Budgets. So stay tuned for that, because you guys might actually like these giveaways. $40. Guys, this is looking so cute. Look at that. We're almost done. And then 40. Another 40. Guys, I'm so hungry and my food is like just there staring at me. And it's late. I'm not supposed to be eating this late. $60. Why is my husband making so much noise? Like, hello? You know I'm filming. 60. Ew. Oh my God, look at that. It looked like he got shot. Oh God. Let me stop talking shit. Let me stop talking shit. 20, 40, 60. And wait a minute. I feel like I got an extra 20 in here. Why is that? Did I miss an envelope? I don't think I did. Why do I have an extra 20? Maybe I was going too fast and instead of putting a 40 or 60, I put a 20 or 40. So I'm just gonna put it in. Oh my God, I got $40 left. I'm gonna put it in there anyways because I'm pretty sure it goes in there. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. Oh my God. Oh my God, look how beautiful this looks. Look at that. Oh my God, no. Oh my gosh. Let me put it back. Alright, let me stop playing. Alright, look how nice. I like. So, alright guys, so I finished my $1,000 Christmas Savings Challenge. Look how pretty. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because it's late. And I'll see you guys on my budgeting video this Friday. Bye.